Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow to make unlimited AI images. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. First, search the Blue Willow on your browser. Create your account, then click the join the free beta, which you can see in the upper right corner or at the bottom of your screen. Just click accept invite and it will direct you to your Discord server. You will have to select from any room named Rookie in the left side corner of your screen. Then in the tab, type /imagine and click the term prompt, then type any words you would like to see in your image. When done, press enter and wait for the results. 4 images will appear all together, but if you want to select one from them, just click the U1, U2, U3, or U4 options below that correspond with each image. After selecting, you may opt to download or save your image by clicking it to open in the browser, then right-click again to save it. On the other hand, if you want to create a variation of your chosen image in the same location, just select any options from V1 to V4, then wait for the results. If you want to create more, just repeat the same process. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.